What's up, today? So let's do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently do we have in this instrument. As you can see, gold from the lower time frame perspective, we can find a significant trading opportunity as there was a monthly close today, and we have seen that gold has a strong reversal from this support zone. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. Looking at monthly, now from the monthly perspective, we see that gold has closed today's candle on the monthly above this important monthly level of support. Now, what we have seen that yesterday during this New York session, suddenly gold has a strong spike to the upside and then closed today's monthly candle above this level. Now, this is a quite significant monthly level of support. As this candle close above this support, as there is a long gap on the monthly and also there is a monthly weekless candle, we can expect now a strong bullish move in this at least certain level. And as a result, we have seen that there was a retest of this support in today's monthly candle, and the price had a bounce from this level. So with that said, we can expect now some more movement to the upside. As this is an important level of support, we can expect a strong bounce from this zone. Looking at weekly, we see that from the weekly perspective, gold basically, as you can see from this support, we have seen a significant drop, but finally the sellers failed to create a new lower low, and the boost has taken control in this market now after the monthly close. As the monthly close above this support zone, we can expect now on the weekly as well some bullish move. And at the same time, we see that there was an imbalance on the weekly in this zone, and highly likely that at some point we could see that from the weekly perspective the price is going ahead and test this zone and probably feeling that imbalance in this market and then pushing down again. So with that said, from the weekly perspective as well, we can expect now some bullish move in this market. Now, looking at daily to see how the price action is doing. Now, from the daily perspective, what do you see that the previous day, after a drop on the lower time frame from this zone, the price has broken this daily trend line. You can see connecting these 2 points, we can find a suitable trend line. And after breaking this trend line, on the lower time frame, the price grabbed liquidity from here and then immediately has gone up, closed as a daily middleman. Now this daily middleman is quite significant. If you look at the past, we see that the same level there was a gap opening on the daily and with a back-to-back two weekless candle. Now as the price has closed above this level, and also today's candle, as you can see, already tested this support and had a bounce. So with that bounce, what we can expect now, gold to go ahead and test this zone, as this is the nearest area of value, which is quite significant. There is a 20 EMA in this on the daily perspective, and also there is an imbalance in this level from the weekly perspective that we have seen. And also this is the swing high of this move on the daily. When the gold was dropping on the daily perspective, we have seen that the price was creating series of lower high and lower low, and as gold has bounced from this monthly support, highly likely that it will break this high, will create an overextended market, and then we could see another bearish move in this instrument. So from the monthly, weekly and daily, we see that there is a high probability for gold to continue to go up at least for short term. So looking at 4 hour perspective to see how the price action is doing, we see that basically this is the structure that has created. There was a double bottom here. The price has broken out of this local market structure and then tested this previous resistance turning support here with this candle on the 4 hour with this pin bar, and we saw that the price immediately has gone up. Now this is the 4 hour chart. What do we see that this current sessions candle is still 2 hours remaining from this time of recording. What I think that during the lifetime of this candle we could see some drop, highly likely that it might drop to this level of support. Any kind of break below this level can give us a suitable entry for this bullish move on gold on the lower time frame. If we look at 1 hour, we see that there is already a retest of this level which is closing after 13 minutes from this time of recording. What I think that we could see some breakdown in this lower time frame for liquidity gap, and this is a very important level where there is a 1 hour 20 EMA as well. Any break to this local trend line along this zone will give us a suitable entry opportunity on gold for this move to the upside. We'll take a long trade as soon as we will find suitable entry along this direction as with our students with a high probability trade setup. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.